Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to work on the payment page. So instead of displaying just the word payment, we need to remove it. And then I'm going to paste this simple HTML code. This simple, very simple HTML code. And here what we want to do is that before we display anything in this page, we need again to make sure that the order and the total amount is in the session. Because if there is no order ID, it means that the user has not created an order, and it means that we cannot let them pay unless they place an order. And to do this, we need to use if statement. We need to use at if session if the session has total and if that total is not null, if session get total is not null, if it's not null, then we need to check the order ID. We need to check if user has an order or not, has created an order or not, has placed an order or not. So we need to say if session has order ID, because we store the order ID in the session, and that order ID is not null. Session get order ID is not null. If it's not null, then we need to display the payment here. We need to say here at end first, end if, and another end if, because we have two if statements. End if. And between we need to display here h4, which is going to display the total. So I'm going to say total. Now at this point we need to say total, and the total is going to be equal to double curly braces and then session and then get and then total. And we display the $sign just before this number. And we are done with this part. So in case user places an order and goes to the payment page, then this will be displayed. If the user goes to this payment page without placing an order, this will not be displayed, will never be displayed. Also the payment button will be displayed inside these if statements to make sure that the user has placed an order.